मैं कभी वापस नहीं आऊंगा। I will never come back. I will never come back. मुझे अपने पैसे वापस चाहिए। I want my money back. I want my money back. मैं कल मैरी से मिला था। I met Mary yesterday. I met Mary yesterday. चलो एक खेल खेलते हैं। Let's play a game. Let's play a game. तुम्हारा दिन कैसा था? How was your day? How was your day? चलो बाहर चलते हैं। Let's go out. Let's go out. सारा खेल सोच का है। It's all about mindset. It's all about mindset. चलो मैं आपको छोड़ देता हूँ। Let me drop you. Let me drop you. तुम मुझे कभी भी मिल सकते हो। You can meet me anytime. You can meet me anytime. वह आपकी सहायता करेगा। He will help you. He will help you. तुम बाहर मत जाना। You don't go out. You don't go out. सब मुझ पर छोड़ दो। Leave it all to me. Leave it all to me. कभी ना कभी तो तुम पछताओगे। Sooner or later you will regret. Sooner or later you will regret. इसके लिए उसे मनाओ। Convince him for it. Convince him for it. पापा ने पैसे देने से मना कर दिया। Father denied to give money. Father denied to give money. वो अब यहाँ नहीं है। He is no longer here. He is no longer here. मैं अपने हिसाब से काम करता हूँ। I work on my own terms. I work on my own terms. अब मुझे उससे बात करनी होगी। Now I will have to talk to him. Now I will have to talk to him. मैं पूछने का हकदार हूँ। I am initialed to ask. I'm initialed to ask. मुझे अब आपसे कोई उम्मीद नहीं है। I have no hope from you now. I have no hope from you now. मुझे आपके साथ समय बिताना है। I want to spend time with you. I want to spend time with you. मुझसे वादा करो तुम झूठ नहीं बोलोगे। Promise me you will not lie. Promise me you will not lie. आपके लिए कौन सी ले? Which one is to take for you? Which one is to take for you? कुछ खास है क्या आज? Is anything special today? Is anything special today? मैं कल से काम करूंगी। I will work from tomorrow. I will work from tomorrow. थोड़ी देर में मुझसे मिलना। Meet me in a while. Meet me in a while. मैं इसे और सहन नहीं कर सकता। I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. तुम्हें मैं बहुत बार बोल चुका हूँ। I have told you many times. I have told you many times. इसमें ऐसा क्या खास है? What's so special in it? What's so special in it? मेरे पास नकद रुपया नहीं है। I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. मैं अभी वापस आता हूँ। I will be right back. I will be right back. मुझे यह सुनकर खुशी हुई। I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. मुझे इसके बारे में यकीन नहीं है। I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. कल रात मुझे एक सपना आया था। I had dream last night. I had dream last night. कोई सुनना ही नहीं चाहता। Nobody cares to listen. Nobody cares to listen. क्या तुम मेरे घर नहीं चलोगे? Will you not come to my house? Will you not come to my house? वह सावधानी से काम करता है। He works carefully. He works carefully. मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? मैं एक बचत खाता खोलना चाहता हूँ. I want to open a savings account. I want to open a savings account. जमा काउंटर कहाँ है? Where is the deposit counter? Where is the deposit counter? आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. आपके भविष्य के लिए शुभकामनाएं. All the best for your future. All the best for your future. मैं बस थोड़ा आराम कर रहा हूँ. I'm just taking a little rest. I'm just taking a little rest. कुछ खास नहीं, सब पहले जैसा है. Nothing special, everything is the same. Nothing special, everything is the same. आपको यह जगह कैसी लगी? How do you like this place? How do you like this place? क्या यह थोड़ा सस्ता हो सकता है? Can it be a little cheaper? Can it be a little cheaper? मुझे हरी शर्ट दिखाइए. Show me the green shirt. Show me the green shirt. आज किसका प्रेजेंटेशन है? Who is giving a presentation today? Who is giving a presentation today? चलो साथ में लंच करते हैं. Let's have lunch together. Let's have lunch together. आज की असेंबली में क्या हुआ? What happened in today's assembly? What happened in today's assembly? जो समझ में नहीं आया वो फिर से पूछो. Ask again what you didn't understand. Ask again what you didn't understand. तुमने होमवर्क किया या नहीं? Did you do your homework or not? Did you do your homework or not? बिना पूछे बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go out without asking. Don't go out without asking. अगर कोई प्रश्न है तो हाथ उठाओ. If you have any question, raise your hand. If you have any question, raise your hand. मुझे यह प्रश्न समझ नहीं आ रहा. I don't understand this question. I don't understand this question. मेरा होमवर्क पूरा हो गया है. My homework is done. My homework is done. ध्यान से पढ़ो, यह परीक्षा में आएगा. Read carefully, it will come in the exam. Read carefully, it will come in the exam. आज हम एक दिलचस्प गतिविधि करेंगे. Today we will do an interesting activity. Today we will do an interesting activity. हमें आज का टॉपिक जल्दी खत्म करना है. We have to finish today's topic quickly. We have to finish today's topic quickly. इस टॉपिक के बारे में तुम क्या सोचते हो? What do you think about this topic? What do you think about this topic? पढ़ाई के साथ साथ खेल भी जरूरी है. Sports are as important as studies. Sports are as important as studies. किसी को कोई परेशानी हो तो बताओ. If anyone has any problem, please tell. If anyone has any problem, please tell. इस सवाल का हल कौन बताएगा? Who will tell the solution of this question? Who will tell the solution of this question? तुमने होमवर्क कर लिया? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? मैं तुमसे तंग आ चुका हूँ. I am tired of you. I am tired of you. बहुत चालाक बनने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to act too smart. Don't try to act too smart. यह सही नहीं लग रहा. This doesn't seem right. This doesn't seem right. क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ रहे हो? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? तुम क्या लेना पसंद करोगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? तुमने इतनी देर क्यों की? Why did you take so long? Why did you take so long? कितने दिनों के लिए? For how many days? For how many days? मुझे एक ग्लास पानी दे दो. Give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. एक दूसरे से बात मत करो. Don't talk to each other. Don't talk to each other. ध्यान भटकाओ मत. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. तुम्हें शर्म आ नहीं आती? Aren't you ashamed? Aren't you ashamed? सीखना कभी बंद मत करो. Never stop learning. Never stop learning. हाथ ऊपर करके खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up with your hands up. Stand up with your hands up. सभी किताब की तरफ ध्यान दे. Everyone pay attention to the book. Everyone pay attention to the book. पानी पीकर जल्दी आना. Come back soon after drinking water. Come back soon after drinking water. बाद में आपसे बात करता हूँ. I will talk to you later. I will talk to you later. क्या आप हमारे साथ शामिल हो रहे हो? Are you joining us? Are you joining us? लंच का समय हो गया है. It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. सब लोग भोजन कक्ष में चले. Everybody let's go to the dining room. Everybody let's go to the dining room. अंग्रेजी का पाठ बहुत कठिन नहीं है. The English lesson is not very difficult. The English lesson is not very difficult. स्कूल का पिछला साल बहुत उबाऊ था. Last year of school is very boring. Last year of school is very boring. तुम मेरे से बात क्यों नहीं करती? Why don't you talk to me? Why don't you talk to me? तुम मेरी परवाह नहीं करते. You don't care about me. You don't care about me. कभी किसी से नफरत ना करे. Never hate anyone. Never hate anyone. साधारण जिंदगी जिए, दिखावा न करे. Live a simple life, don't show off. Live a simple life, don't show off. कभी भी किसी चीज की चिंता ना करें. Never worry about anything. Never worry about anything. हर काम को उम्मीद के साथ करें. Do every work with hope. Do every work with hope. उसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. You are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. मेरे पास कलर नहीं है. I do not have colors. I do not have colors. मेरी सीट पर कोई बैठा है. Someone is sitting on my seat. Someone is sitting on my seat. इस बात पर कोई ध्यान नहीं देगा. No one will pay attention to this. No one will pay attention to this. आजकल क्या हो रहा है? What's up these days? What's up these days? अभी पढ़ाई चल रही है. Studies are going on right now. Studies are going on right now. आपका काम कैसा चल रहा है? How about your work? How about your work? अपने साथी के साथ चर्चा करें. Discuss with your partner. Discuss with your partner. उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? What is going on in his mind? What is going on in his mind? तुम्हें ऐसा करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. You didn't have to do this. You didn't have to do this. यह अभी चर्चा में चल रहा है. This is currently under discussion. This is currently under discussion. कोई भी बिना पूछे बाहर न जाए. No one should go out without asking. No one should go out without asking. अचानक से कॉल क्यों करना चाहते हो? Why do you want to call me suddenly? Why do you want to call me suddenly? अगर फ्री हो तो बात करें. If you are free, can we talk? If you are free, can we talk? आज के लिए बहुत मेहनत हो गई. I have worked hard for today. I have worked hard for today. तुमने कहा है तो मानना पड़ेगा. If you have said so, then I have to agree. If you have said so, then I have to agree. मैं हमेशा तुम पर गर्व करती हूँ. I'm always proud of you. I'm always proud of you. ठीक कहा, अब खुद को थोड़ा समय दो. You are right. Now give yourself some time. You are right. Now give yourself some time. बस तुम्हारी आवाज सुननी थी. I just wanted to hear your voice. I just wanted to hear your voice. अब थोड़ा आराम कर लो. Now take some rest. Now take some rest.